Not too long ago, I already made a video and featured NextChain over here, the first AI blockchain with 400,000 transactions per second, zero point 0.1 cents in gas, smart contracts 2.0, cross-chain integrations, and a lot more. And they have their pre-sale live right now. That is sitting at around $1.5 million in stage 10, going up fairly soon when they reach 1.625 million. They get audited already with a pretty solid score. KYC verification is happening right now as well with the ID verification in there. And they allow for the highest transaction speed, hybrid consensus for reliability and stability, the fact of interoperability between chains. I personally don't like it if I have, let's say, Solana, but I want to swap it to Bitcoin and then I have to send it to an exchange, sell it, convert it, do that, send it to a different wallet. Way too many steps. They solve that with insanely low fees behind that. It's also energy efficient and offers sustainable growth with a decentralized governance behind it and fair income distribution. Basically, lots of good things that you do want to have when it comes to a chain. They also reward their community every single day with a share of 10% of all gas fee revenue. So for just holding the token, you also automatically have a passive income thing going for you, which is like staking but free, and you don't have to lock up anything. I like that. They're powered by Nvidia, Google Cloud, and more over here. And they also post weekly roundups so we can have an overview of what just happened, how they moved to stage 10, raised over 1.4 million, now almost 1.5, and improved the project day by day. Well, there is a lot in the white paper and the Gitbook page alone. Most importantly, scalability and performance constraints existing blockchain networks. So they solved that, especially with 400,000 transactions per second. I don't know if you ever send anything on the Bitcoin network, but they allow 5 transactions per second, can take forever. Depending on how congested that is, that might take you up to 2 hours. We're not going to go into much detail when it comes to the white paper, but if you want to read up to 39 pages as well, that is available. Our main focus is that the pre-sale is live right now, which is still a pretty good entry price considering the stage and the amount of dollars raised. We know based on the tokenomics that the initial market cap is set to be around 157 million with a fully diluted market cap of 430 million and a price listing, which is variable, but around 30 cents. That means at the moment, with that being 3.8 cents, that's still about a 7.5x until we reach that point. And with them accepting not just ETH, but also quite a few different things like Shiba, Doge, XRP if you have some, or even Ton if you maybe played some of those Telegram tap games, found some Ton and don't know what to do with it, with lots and lots of different networks available too. Let's say, for example, now ETH being at almost 2.5k, 2,455, that would give you 64,000 tokens, which means at 15.5 ETH, or of course $38,000, you would have 1 million of their tokens, which means if it does a 3x after launch, and it does launch and gets listed at 30 cents, and it does a 3x, that would make the price per coin at $1, or makes you a millionaire that way. And they also have a leaderboard down here. I kind of block it with the camera, but you can see it on the top. We can see the total amount in transaction value, where number 1 almost put in $70,000. 56,000 for number 2, which you can also look at in detail so you can see exactly how many different wallets participate, put money in, and getting into the pre-sale over here. And now in total, they're going to be 2.15 billion tokens. 6% gets burned, 70% for the treasury, and most important, 20% for the public sale right now. As well as more distributions and splits for seed, rewards, private, some for the team, some for marketing, of course, and the ecosystem. They're also golden verified, got over 100,000 followers. And in case you're interested, I will leave links to everything down below in the description as well as the pinned comment, so you can check them out as well. Participate in the pre-sale, but of course, not financial advice. I can only show you what I found that seems pretty solid. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Take care.